What are the top 3 things to do in the fall for your lawn? To do in the fall for your lawn. I feel like that's a song now. Okay. What are the top 3 things you can do for your lawn in the fall? First, propagate. Seed if you're in the north, plugs if you're in the south. Second, feed it. Deeper roots come from feeding in the fall. Number 3, spot treat your weeds. It's a good time to kill them in the fall, and that way they won't be there in the spring. What's going on with weeds in the fall? Well, if you're in a summer annual like crabgrass and goosegrass, you're dying out in the fall, right? And you're going through the winter as a seed and you're coming back again in the spring. Broadleaf weeds like dandelion, ground ivy, clover, things like that, they start to shuttle more nutrients to their root system getting ready for the winter time because they're gonna be able to grow back from those plants. So they're hunkering down, getting ready. That's why it's a really good time to knock them back. They don't grow as actively, so you can knock them back and then the winter finishes them off. So the fall is a time to exploit if you want to have fewer weeds by injuring them right before the winter time that then will finish them off. The best way to recover your summer ravaged lawn begins with, if it's a weedy problem, knock the weeds back a couple of times, scratch them up, and get ready to seed. Then you want to feed to get that lawn to fill in. And then a little bit later, if weeds start coming back, you can spot treat them again and one more fertilizer before the winter, and you're all set for the spring. So we got a question from a customer in Texas who saw his neighbor overseeding his warm season grass lawn with a cool season grass and asked if he should be doing that. And the answer is, if your neighbor's only there for a few months a year and is going to use that lawn while they're there and is not there in the summer, then that's a perfectly good reason to plant that lawn, and then in the summertime, obviously not care about it as much. Now, if you just want to do that so you can have 12 months of a green lawn, then I think that could be viewed as a bit wasteful, where maybe you should just let the lawn go dormant in the fall and focus your use of the lawn in the summer when you're there.